Hey guys, Leslie Doucette here from DONUTS Donuts. You know, we're busy at DONUTS Donuts. We sell a lot of donuts. And so most days we don't have any leftovers. We sell until we're sold out. But there are some days we might have a tray or two or three left over. So what do we do with our leftover donuts?
Didn't even get to cross.
Good morning. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how we make bread pudding here at DONUTS Donuts. Okay, what we use day-old donuts to make our bread pudding. We use the cinnamon stuff because it's a little denser and I think it'll come out better. Alright, so the next thing that we do is we take the cinnamon fritters or any of the cinnamon stuff, we start breaking it up into the water. Alright Ella, so what are we doing here?
Okay, so right now we're just taking the batter and we're going to put it in the muffin pans. They've already been pre-greased, and then we're going to bake them for a little bit.
Alright. Okay, so the oven's preheated, the muffins are mixed and ready to go into the oven. Alright, we're going to let them cook at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Okay, they're ready. We're going to take them out right now. Ooh, look at that. And that's how we make our cinnamon and blueberry bread puddings. Some people call them muffins. That's basically what it is, a bread pudding.
Okay guys, so that's what we do with our leftover donuts. We make bread pudding and it's so good. So if you at home ever have leftover donuts, make you some bread pudding. It's really good. But you know, at DONUTS Donuts, we don't always have bread pudding. It just depends on if we have leftover donuts the day before or not. And so if you come by and you want a real treat, ask for bread pudding. We'll see if we have it that day. Okay, we hope you liked the video today. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our page if you haven't yet. And we'll see you in the next video.